Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I want to tell you how to make money online as a teenager, or really just anybody that's looking to make money online. But this is specifically, how to make money online as a teenager. Someone asked me, if I was, a teenager and I'm just now starting online, what company would I join? Okay, and honestly, the most one of the most user friendly companies that a lot of people start with is email processing. Okay, and email processing has been around for 8 years. They just celebrated their 8 year anniversary. This company is very simple. If you click on the link below, you'll be directed to my website, which looks exactly like this. And depending on what you do, you'll get a website exactly like this as well. But this company has been around for about 8 years. Okay, and so basically, in a nutshell, if I could, ask you guys or tell you guys exactly what it is, it's a company that, they give you an ebook of pre-written ad copies and different things like that, subject lines, and your only goal is to, promote these, the pre-written ads via Craigslist, YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, however you want to do it. You can do that. You copy and paste, what they give you, okay, and from there, when people contact you, and they decide to get started, you'll get paid a commission, and you get paid instantly the same day at the exact same time that they pay. Okay, so you'll get paid immediately, and this is some of the earning potentials. If you do, three a day, you can potentially get $2,200 a month. If you do five a day, you'll get, $3,750 a month, and then so on and so forth. And these people are actually doing these kind of numbers. That's actually, doing it full time. This is very user friendly. This is something that I've been doing for a long time. As you can see, I have Team Riot, which is the team that, I'm the CEO of this team, and we've been crushing email processing for years. It's very good for the simple fact that you can get paid instantly, and people love that about this company. So let me go ahead and break down these different levels so you guys know this does cost. So if that scares you, go ahead and run away. But if you know anything about making money online, you're going to have to invest in something, okay? And I'm just telling you that because most people won't tell you that. They're going to just preach free. But eventually, you're going to have to invest, whether it be advertising, you're going to have to invest money into this industry. So, um, at the $25 level, you get paid on one level. And that means if someone decides to join at $25, you'll get paid $25 and that's it. You won't get paid on any of these other levels, okay? You'll get the pre-written ads, which is what I discussed, and then you'll get basic training kind of showing you how to promote it, okay? A lot of people, start off with this one first to get the hang of it. But then they upgrade later, or people who are like they can see the vision, they go ahead and hop in at these other levels. Okay, so at the 50, you get paid on two levels. So what does that mean? That means if someone joins the 25, you'll get paid, and if they join the 50, you'll get paid. And the same with the 100, you'll get paid on all three levels. If someone joins the 25, 50, or 100, you can get paid on any one of these levels at any given time. You'll get capture pages, websites, pre-written ads, and pro training on this one. I usually tell people, starting out, since it is only a one-time payment, I suggest that people go with the 100, not because I'm just gonna make tons of money, but because you just get the most bang for your buck. Like you literally get all of this stuff here. You get capture page, email software, website, 5K formula. You get Facebook domination, YouTube domination, Craigslist. You get discounts on groceries, car rentals, hotels, autopilot money daily. The pre-written ads, of course, and then how I teach you how to close sales fast. And so this system is designed for, like, most of the time, usually beginners who are just trying to find their way online, and to help them, make uh, an okay amount of money as fast as possible. Now, disclaimer, I don't know your work ethic, so I'm not going to promise you that you're going to make any money with this. But I'm telling you that if you put in the efforts, if you follow the training, that you could potentially make a lot of money. Okay, and that's with anything. If anybody guarantees you money in anything, don't join that. You know what I mean? No one can guarantee that you're going to make any money. It's going to be off your work ethic. and everything like that. Another thing with this YouTube, strategy is one that I use as well, and a lot of people want to know what I use, so it's in this one as well. So it's only right that I give that to you guys. So it's testimonials and things here, but let me show you guys some proof of other people that makes money, because I make money with it, myself, and this video shows here, as you can see, you can click and watch that, but this is just a training group, a pro group that shows a lot of proof. People just post their proof in here. So people making $75 payments, $25 payments, just tons and tons and tons of payments. Okay, you can go through this group all day. It's payments all through here. Okay, people are getting paid all the time. This group literally has what 15,000 members in it. People just posting proof. So the proof's here. People are making good money with it. Like I said, if you're a teenager, or if you're just anybody that's wanting to start making money online, and you may have a bill coming up, or you may just have something that you need to take care of, this can potentially get you paid in the same day, which is what I love about it. And then you could potentially take care of those bills. There's been, times where people have told me, hey, I was at a restaurant, the bill was short. I got paid like 20 minutes before that, or, right before and it worked, and they were able to use their PayPal card and pay for the meal, or they just, spent their last on gas and the $25 payment popped up, so they had an extra $25, or, extra $100 after they got done shopping. And so, it's stuff that could potentially help you guys. And honestly, if you really put in the work, if you're somebody who's wanting to actually just quit a job or never work a job, you can do this and literally, make upwards to six figures. But I don't want to talk too big and get your mind wrapped around that, because I want you to at least get started and potentially get your first payment. But all in all, guys, if you're online and you already have a business and you want to, upscale your business, I do have training below this video. I also have a free training if you just want to, know a few things. I do have a couple paid trainings. I do one-on-one coaching and stuff as well. If you guys are just ready for me to upload some more videos showing you how to make money online with different things, contact me or just comment below this video and let me know what you guys want to see. With that being said, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and contact me. And then if you're ready to join, go ahead and get started below. And I will see you guys later. Peace.